In order to delete all chats on Deepseek AI, you need to follow the simple steps. First of all, open your Deepseek AI application. And once you launch it, log into your account. If you want to delete your chat history, locate and tap on the two lines in the top left corner of the screen and then tap on your profile name. From here, you will see the option of delete all chats that is highlighted in red color. Between logout and delete account option, tap on it and then confirm your decision by tapping on confirm deletion that is also highlighted in red color. So if you confirm your deletion, all your chat history for this account will be permanently erased and cannot be recovered. So if you're sure that you want to delete all the chat history, tap on confirm deletion and you'll be done. And another thing you can do is tap and hold onto the application, tap on the eye icon in the top, scroll down and go to storage and then click on clear cache. And also click on clear data. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.